Yeah?
Car.
Mm.
Hi, friends. We're gonna learn about friends. Car.
And numbers. Okay, first.
First up, car.
First, Kuya, how many wheels are there in your car?
1, 2, 3, 4.
And 4 plus 4 is?
8.
How about 8 plus 8?
16. I know that now.
2 plus 2, Kuya?
4.
Aki, 2 plus 2?
Okay.
Count on, Mama. Ma-join man sa'yo. So first, let's do addition. 1 plus 1 equals?
2.
2 plus 2 equals?
4.
4 plus 4 equals?
8.
8 plus 2 equals?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. 10 plus 5 equals?
15.
15.
Easy.
Correct. 6 plus 3 equals?
9.
9 plus 1 equals?
10.
Very good. 20 plus 20 equals?
40.
40 plus 2 equals?
42.
Very good, Kuya. Now, let's go to the next one. The takeaway or the subtraction.
Code.
10 take away 2 is?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good. How about 5 take away
Easy.
2?
5 take 2 is 1, 2, 3.
How about 3
Everybody, look at
take
me.
away 1? 3 take away 1 is?
2.
20.
Mama.
Yeah?
Aki just gave me my boo-boo.
Yeah, she's a very good girl. 20 take away 10 is?
10.
Very good. Kuya, are you ready for the multiplication? 3 times 3 equals?
9.
2 times 2 equals?
4.
10 times 2 equals?
10 times 2. 10 times
210. 210 equal is?
20.
How about 410? 410 is?
40. 40.
Next, we'll go with...
Falling over competition.
Falling over competition. How about Kuya? 20 plus 8.
28. 28.
How about 5 plus 5?
That's easy. 10.
How about 10 plus 4?
Easy peasy. It's 14.
Very good. Congratulations, Kuya. That's all for tonight.
I win.
You win.
I win the game.
How about Yaki? Okay, Aki, count. 1. Aki na count. 1. 8 plus 2 is? 30 plus 5 is?
45.
8 tenths equals? 8 times 10.
Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Oh, that's too long to be count. It's 80.
80.
10 times 10 is?
Ow.
10 times 10?
10 times 10.
Yeah. 10 tenths equals?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 100.
Very good. How about 100 plus 5?
105.
How about 100 plus 20?
120.
How about 105 plus 5?
110.
Very good.
Bye, friends. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel. Bye, friends.